Remove plug from cargo rail. Assemble 3 brackets with bolt, flat washer, bracket, and square nut. Leave loose for now. Slide brackets into top channel of cargo rail and reinsert plug. Set the side rail on cargo rail and slide forward until it touches the front of the box. Use pre-drilled holes in side rail to determine bracket locations. Remove side rail and tighten all hex bolts, then torque to 70 inch-pounds. Align holes in side rail and bracket, then insert carriage bolts. Hand thread nylock nuts, then tighten. Remove 5 bolts that mount cargo rail to box. Starting at the front, pull until nylon anchors disengage and cargo rail is free. Ensure flat weather seal is flush against the bottom of the pre-installed weather seal on side rail and adhere to the length of cargo rail. Push nylon anchors through weather seal. Cut off excess. Carefully cut holes in weather seal with utility knife for existing bolt holes. Reattach cargo rail to side of box with nylon anchors and insert 5 bolts to reinstall cargo rail. Tighten front bolt. Adjust side rail flush and level with the top of the box. Tighten rear bolt, then tighten middle 3 bolts. Ensure RamBox lid opens and closes without interference from side rail. Torque cover bracket hardware to 70 inch-pounds. Trim tailgate seal to fit rounded inside corner. Peel off paper and press seal into corner where tailgate meets box rail. Peel off paper from wedge seal, then press into corner of side rail and bed cap. Repeat this process to install side rail on the opposite side.